Okay. Yfke was in this stall. And now she is at the clinic. This stall is not a good idea. First Unique and now Yfke. But she's at the right place. I hope they can help her. But they said when it's necessary we call you. And I don't hope so. So we shall see. Good morning, Boukje. It's now almost 9 o'clock and I didn't hear anything from the clinic yet about Yfke, so that's a kind of good sign. So I really hope so. Yfke, her stall. The vet just called and whoa, that was shiny. Hey. Oh. Hey. But the vet just called for Yfke and she's not doing better at this moment. First they thought it's a worm infection from red worms. I don't know the English word. Hey Bella. But in her belly is something very hard and that has to come out, and maybe it's in the intestines. I think it's the right word, the darmen. But maybe it's another thing in her belly. So we have to wait today, and they go to examine the poop again. Maybe there's something else wrong. They sent it to another clinic and laboratorium, I think, and they call me tomorrow. And if there's news, they call me today, but I have to wait again. I'm almost done with the horses. There's always something going on. Hey, hallo. Yay. Yfke. Hey. Yfke. Hier is mijn mooi naar huis. Yay. She's healthy again.
Ik ben herenigd.
Ja. Renske zijn mooi. Hi.
Hoi hoi.
Nou. Kom. Oh, braaf. Goed zo. Yfke en Spidey. Kom maar, Yfke. Goed zo. Ja. Yay.
Wat thanks, nu we thuis.
Maar wel in de tweede box. Yay. Yfke, she's finally home again. Oh. Thursday evening she had to go to the clinic, and now it's Monday morning and she's back. Yeah. And her problems were colic and maybe a darm infection, but they are going to research the poop, and maybe they can find something, but they said 50% they never know, so maybe we never know. But she was sick, really sick, and the vets didn't know either how it's going to be, but she's back. Yeah. Oh, and she really is a cutie. Oh. Yeah. But she is a bit thin now because she didn't eat much, because her stomach and her darmen. I always forget the word, intestines or something, but has to empty, and now she's getting better. Now she can eat, and I give her special pellets with good bacteria. So, at first she has to be inside for 1 week. And after that she can go outside and normal again, I hope so. Oh, she really is a sweetie. Hey, you're just 1 year old. Yesterday it was her birthday. It's the same day as Rein's birthday. Yeah, he got 7 and you got 1. 1 year old and already that big. She's huge. Hey. Well, I'm happy. Yay. So Reis is inside now. Yfke is happy to see him.